Once upon a time, there was a little rabbit called Rufus. He lived with his mom. His mom made all the possible for him to do everything he needed. If the little rabbit was thirsty, her mom go to the river and look for water. If the little rabbit was hungry, her mom went to look for a carrot. In the morning, when the little rabbit had to go to school, her mom called Rufus. Rufus! Rufus! Her mom woke him up and prepared him the clothes and the breakfast. One day, Mom Rabbit had to go on a trip, and Rufus was left alone.
Rufus started crying. He felt very sad because if his mother was not there, he didn't know how to do anything. When Mom returns, I will ask her to teach me, so I will not to be alone when she goes on a trip, said Rufus. In the afternoon, Mom Rabbit arrived at home. Rufus was very happy. His smile was very big. Haven't you smile when you're very happy? He went running to say hello and we had a big kiss.
Hello, son!
During the week, Rufus started to investigate and learn the things that his mother used to do. When he was hungry and his mother looked for a carrot, he asked her where she had taken it from. So one day, when Mom Rabbit looked for a carrot for his son, Rufus said, No, Mom, I can do it by my own. Let me go to look for my carrot.
Congratulations, son! You are a very big rabbit now. You can do your things by your own. And they were very, very happy.